Maintaining a baseball or softball infield is an ongoing process that requires careful planning to ensure optimum playability and safety. One aspect of field maintenance that is sometimes overlooked is the soil condition of the infield playing surface. The most common issues found are infields that are beachy when dry or the soil chunks out when wet. Both are symptoms of the soil having a high percentage of sand. At the other end of the spectrum are soils that are dusty when dry or slick and mucky when wet. This is an indication of high clay or silt content in the soil. To assist groundskeepers or coaches with determining the current texture of their soil and how to amend it properly, DuraEdge has developed a process they call the TAX method, which stands for Test, Analyze, Compare, and Solve. The first step of the process is to test the infield soil to determine the current sand, silt, and clay percentage it's composed of. To get accurate representation, soil samples should be taken from no less than 6 locations around the entire infield. The samples are then mixed together and bagged to be sent to the lab for testing. Your local Ewing branch or sports field rep can assist you with this. Once the test results come back, your Ewing rep will work with DuraEdge to analyze the results and compare the soil content against what the ideal mix should be for your situation. For instance, a municipal field may have very different maintenance requirements than what would be expected for a major league playing surface. The final step in the TAX method is to solve the problem. Rather than removing and replacing the entire infield skin, DuraEdge has developed a more cost-effective line of soil amendments that are designed to combine with your existing infield skin material to correct imbalances. This engineered soil technology, called FieldSaver, helps to bind and stabilize the soil to improve resiliency, absorption, and playability of the playing surface.
The first step of the FieldSaver process is to hydrate the infield adequately. We need to get water to a depth of 3 inches for the tiller to consistently till. Now that we have hydrated your infield, it's time to apply the amendment. We apply the amendment at 4 pounds per square foot evenly across the infield so that it plays consistently from the first base side to the third base side. After we have applied the amendment, it's time for one of the most important parts, which is tilling. We till in 2 different directions to a depth of 3 inches to ensure that we have incorporated the material consistently. Now that we've incorporated the amendment into your infield, it's time to put the field back together. We do this with laser grading. We want to make sure to have positive surface drainage. The last step in the FieldSaver process is compaction. We need compaction for multiple reasons. First and foremost, for the ball to bounce accurately, but second, to help ensure that we get that positive surface drainage. Now we're ready to give the field back to the groundskeeper. He can apply his top dressing and prep for play.
To learn more about FieldSaver soil amendments from DuraEdge and other sports field related products and services from Ewing, stop into your local Ewing branch or visit us online at EwingOutdoorSupply.com.